She's literally next to her mom on the end of the pier.
Alright.
No way the mom just said that. Time to see if she will actually get on.
Come on.
I don't know what. You don't go, I'm going.
No way she just said if you don't go I will.
Then you can come on.
Alright, fine.
Alright, yeah, here, put it that side and we'll go.
No way she's actually about to get on. She's lucky she's not on here.
Don't go fast.
Alright, I won't.
Little does she know what's about to actually happen. Have a nice swim back to shore, who's ever mom this is.